Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to check spelling and grammar in Microsoft Outlook email. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the full range of email tools you'll need. Wait for everything to fully load before moving to the next step, as you want to make sure the interface is ready to use. Once your email has loaded, you'll need to access the email composition tools. To do this, look at the top left part of your screen where you'll find the New Email button. Go ahead and click on it. This opens the email composition window where you can write, format, and check your messages before sending them out. Now that you're in the email composition screen, start by typing out your email content in the composition window provided. You can write whatever message you need to send, whether it's a quick note or a longer email. Don't worry about getting everything perfect just yet. The whole point here is to get your thoughts down first, and then you'll use Outlook's built-in tools to polish it up. After you've finished composing your email, it's time to check for spelling and grammar errors. Navigate to the Review tab, which is located at the top part of your screen, along with the other menus and tools. This tab contains all the proofreading features Outlook offers, including spelling and grammar checks. Once you're in the Review tab, look for the Spelling and Grammar button. It's usually pretty easy to spot among the other options. Click on it, and Outlook will immediately start scanning your email content for any grammar or spelling mistakes. This process happens automatically and usually only takes a few seconds, depending on how long your email is. If Outlook detects any errors, a window will pop up presenting you with corrective suggestions. You'll see the highlighted mistakes along with recommended fixes. From there, you can choose to accept the suggestions or ignore them if you prefer your original wording. This feature is incredibly helpful for making sure your emails look professional and error-free before you hit send. And that's it. You've successfully checked the spelling and grammar in your Microsoft Outlook email, ensuring your message is polished and ready to go. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.